In this video, we will talk about 5 delicious low-calorie recipes for effective weight loss. Eating healthy and maintaining a balanced diet is essential for effective weight loss. The key to weight loss is consuming fewer calories than you burn, while ensuring that you get the nutrients your body needs. Low-calorie recipes can be both delicious and satisfying, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. In this detailed discussion, we will explore 5 delicious low-calorie recipes that are perfect for effective weight loss. These recipes are easy to prepare, full of flavor, and packed with nutrients. 1. Zucchini noodles with tomato basil sauce. Zucchini noodles, or Zoodles, are a popular low-calorie alternative to traditional pasta. They're made by spiralizing zucchini into thin, noodle-like strands, offering a light and nutritious option. Zoodles are especially appealing for those looking to reduce carbs or calories while still enjoying a pasta-like dish. One of the best ways to serve Zoodles is with a fresh tomato basil sauce. This sauce is made from simple ingredients like ripe tomatoes, garlic, and fresh basil, creating a flavorful and satisfying dish that's still low in calories. The combination of Zoodles and tomato basil sauce is not only tasty but also healthy, making it a great choice for a light meal. Zoodles are easy to prepare and can be cooked quickly in a pan or enjoyed raw for a crunchy texture. The dish is versatile and can be customized with additional ingredients like grilled chicken or shrimp. Overall, Zoodles with tomato basil sauce are a delicious, healthy, and easy-to-make meal perfect for those seeking a low-calorie option. Why it works for weight loss. Zucchini is low in calories and carbs, but high in fiber, which helps you feel full. The tomato sauce adds richness without many calories, and fresh basil brings in a burst of flavor. This recipe is perfect for those who crave pasta but want to cut down on calories. How to make it? You can make Zoodles using a spiralizer or even a vegetable peeler. The tomato basil sauce is simple. Just saute garlic in olive oil, add cherry tomatoes, and let them cook down. Toss the Zoodles in the sauce, and you have a delicious low-calorie meal ready in minutes. Adding a sprinkle of Parmesan is optional if you want a bit of extra flavor. This meal is versatile too. You can add grilled chicken or shrimp for extra protein, or serve it as a side dish with lean meats. The key to keeping it low-calorie is to avoid heavy creams or oils and focus on fresh ingredients that pack a lot of flavor without added calories. 2. Grilled chicken salad with lemon vinaigrette. Grilled chicken salads are a staple for anyone looking to lose weight. They are easy to make, packed with protein, and customizable. This recipe features lean grilled chicken served over a bed of mixed greens and topped with a zesty lemon vinaigrette. Why it works for weight loss. Chicken breast is lean and high in protein, which helps keep you full. Mixed greens are low in calories but high in vitamins and minerals, making them a perfect base for the salad. The lemon vinaigrette is light yet flavorful, adding a refreshing touch without adding too many calories. How to make it. Season and grill the chicken, then slice it and place it over a bed of mixed greens. Add vegetables like cucumber, red bell pepper, and red onion for color and crunch. The lemon vinaigrette is made with olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper. This dressing is light and tangy, adding flavor without extra calories. This salad is perfect for lunch or dinner and can be easily prepared in advance. You can also add other ingredients like avocado, nuts, or seeds for additional nutrients while keeping the calorie count in check. 3. Cauliflower rice stir-fry. Cauliflower rice is a low-calorie, low-carb alternative to regular rice. It's made by grating or processing cauliflower into rice-sized grains. This stir-fry is loaded with vegetables and seasoned with soy sauce, making it a delicious and nutritious meal. Why it works for weight loss. Cauliflower is low in calories and carbs, but it's also high in fiber and nutrients. The stir-fry is packed with vegetables like carrots, bell peppers, and peas, which add color, flavor, and vitamins. Soy sauce adds a savory touch without many calories, making this dish satisfying without being heavy. How to make it. You can make cauliflower rice at home by grating or using a food processor to create rice-sized grains. Stir-fry the cauliflower rice with vegetables like carrots, bell peppers, and peas. Add garlic for flavor and soy sauce for seasoning. A touch of sesame oil adds richness, but you can skip it if you want to keep the calories even lower. This dish is versatile. You can add tofu, chicken, or shrimp for extra protein. It's a great option for a light lunch or dinner, and it's easy to prepare in large batches for meal prep. 4. Baked salmon with asparagus. Baked salmon is a nutrient-dense, low-calorie option that's perfect for a healthy dinner. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and protein, making it an excellent choice for weight loss. Paired with asparagus, this dish is both light and satisfying. Why it works for weight loss. Salmon is high in protein, which helps keep you full, and omega-3 fatty acids, which are good for heart health. Asparagus is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a great side dish. This combination provides a balanced, nutrient-rich meal that is also low in calories. How to make it? Simply season the salmon with lemon juice, garlic, salt, and pepper, and bake it alongside asparagus. The asparagus is tossed with olive oil and garlic, making it a flavorful yet low-calorie side. The whole meal can be prepared in under 30 minutes, making it a great option for busy weeknights. This meal is filling without being heavy, and the flavors are fresh and simple. You can also add a side of quinoa or brown rice if you want to increase the fiber content without adding too many extra calories. 5. Greek yogurt parfait with berries. Greek yogurt parfaits are a perfect low-calorie option for breakfast, dessert, or a snack. This recipe combines creamy Greek yogurt with fresh berries and a touch of honey for a sweet and satisfying treat. Why it works for weight loss. Greek yogurt is high in protein, which helps keep you full. Berries are low in calories, but high in fiber and antioxidants, making them a great choice for a healthy diet. Honey adds a natural sweetness without too many extra calories, and a small amount of granola can add a satisfying crunch. How to make it? Start with plain Greek yogurt, which is lower in calories and sugar than flavored varieties. Layer it with fresh berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Drizzle a small amount of honey over the top and sprinkle with granola if desired. This parfait is quick to make and can be easily customized with different fruits and toppings. This recipe is perfect for when you want something sweet but don't want to go overboard on calories. It's also a great way to start your day with a balanced breakfast that will keep you full until lunch. These 5 low-calorie recipes are perfect for anyone looking to lose weight while still enjoying delicious meals. They are easy to prepare, nutritious, and satisfying, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. By incorporating these recipes into your diet, you can enjoy flavorful meals without sacrificing your health. With these 5 low-calorie recipes, you can enjoy flavorful meals while staying on track with your weight loss goals. These recipes are easy to make, nutritious, and satisfying, making them perfect for anyone looking to lead a healthier lifestyle. Remember, the key to effective weight loss is balance, so enjoy these meals as part of a well-rounded diet. By incorporating these recipes into your meal plan, you can make healthy eating a sustainable and enjoyable part of your daily routine. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.